waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood, Florida, about 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, about 20 nautical miles. Waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood, Florida, about 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, about 20 to 60 nautical miles, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm producing waterspouts was located 19 nautical miles southwest of Manasota Key, moving north at 35 knots. Hazard: waterspouts. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include M16 Reef, M17 Reef, M10 Reef, and M9 Reef. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the adjacent coastal waters. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.